Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Alban Jeng. And just letting you know that this channel is not linked to my company. So I just realized that this sink is leaking somewhere here, just under the lid of the sink. See, here it's leaking, and you have water which is dropping all over the pipe. So when I realized that my kitchen drain was leaking, the first thought was that I had just to add a potty and to fix the kitchen sink drain. But then when I investigated, I realized that that's not the case. What was happening is that the kitchen sink drain itself needed to be totally replaced. So the first thing that I bought at the beginning was just the potty. I bought the potty to just add it and to dismount it, add the potty and fix again the kitchen sink drain. Then after when I checked, I realized that no, I could not just add a potty. The thing that I had to do is to buy a new one, kitchen sink drain string. When I Google, I found a video showing how to replace that part of the sink. So the first thing to do in this case is to dismount the old one, remove it. I'm pretty sure that it will be difficult because I checked, I saw that it is rusted at some point. So I will first remove it, and then we take the new one, we add the potty and we mount it. And the last thing that I will do is to check very well, to check if there is no leak, if the leak has disappeared. This is the part that we need to dismount. I don't have the correct tools to just cut the water here. Seem to do cut the water, yeah. Okay, then now what we do is to open this part to remove water also. Okay, we open this and remove. So we need to change this. How to change it? It's like so. This is a new piece that I bought to replace the one that is defective. I will use this, and then I will use also this potty. Next thing to do,
Daddy.
Okay, so I finished to install the sink drain. So now you have to open the water and see how this extra body here, and let's see if we open the water. Let's see what will happen. Oh yeah, it's still closed here. Let's open this one. Open here. Let's see what will happen. Now nothing's happening. The old nothing is dripping. No leak. No leaks. Hopefully it's done well. I hope nothing will happen later. Here too, there is nothing, no problem. Water is still okay. Let's put it full of hot water. Put this one first. Okay. Put this and lock it. Let's put hot water and see what will happen. Okay.
Okay guys, we just finished to replace the kitchen sink drain and everything looks good, and I hope it will remain like this. Hopefully nothing will happen, and we continue to check it and to monitor it during the day and see what will happen.